I'm leading the effort at the University of Glasgow on in-space manufacturing. We are ready to start a company, but now we want to make sure that before we push a product, it's actually safe. The big issue with 3D printing in space, if we do not really clearly know the mechanical characteristics and properties, is that those big parts that will be manufactured will break in millions of tiny space debris and will be able to kill a spacecraft. The NextSpace TestRig is a world first. It's the first time we'll be able to conduct a mechanical characterization of 3D printed samples within a space environment. This is a typical sample. We are using it within an ultra-high vacuum chamber, and we are also changing the temperature.
MTC has been the European Space Agency Additive Manufacturing Benchmarking Centre for 6-7 years now.
The team at Glasgow had a phenomenal idea of designing a test chamber to simulate a space-like environment down here on Earth. They approached us to help manufacture and design this system. So we used our industrial knowledge of automation systems and additive manufacture to create the perfect system. MTC and University of Glasgow have diverse skill sets, and bringing them together was hugely beneficial for this project.
We discovered effects of space environment way larger than what we were expecting. Thanks to this collaboration, we're really able to innovate and to push the state of the art and make sure that everybody, not just us, is preserving the safety and sustainability of space.